Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook a delicious ribeye steak in a cast iron skillet. First, choose a beautiful ribeye about 1.5 inches thick. This thickness helps achieve a great crust and a juicy interior. Make sure to pat your steak completely dry with paper towels on all sides. Then season it generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper, allowing it to sit for at least 30 minutes at room temperature. Before cooking helps ensure even results. Achieving the right pan temperature is crucial for a perfect sear. Place your cast iron skillet over medium-high heat for about 5 minutes, letting it get truly hot. Add 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed oil, to the pan. When you see a slight wisp of smoke, you know your skillet is ready for the steak. This consistent heat will create that wonderful crust. Carefully place your seasoned ribeye into the screaming hot skillet, away from you, to begin the searing process. Sear the first side for exactly 3 to 4 minutes without moving it, allowing a deep, rich brown crust to form. Flip the steak only once to the second side, then sear that side for another 3 to 4 minutes. Resisting the urge to constantly flip ensures an even and flavorful crust on both sides. After searing both sides, reduce the heat to medium-low. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, a few sprigs of fresh rosemary, and 2 cloves of smashed garlic to the pan. Tilt the skillet slightly and continuously spoon the melted, aromatic butter over the steak for 2 to 3 minutes. Use an instant treat thermometer to check for an internal temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare, or your preferred doneness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.